I'm Sumit Agrawal, and I'm having 25 years experience in automobile field, and I have worked for many automotive companies like Honda, Tata Motors and Ford India. And I have attended workshop to enrich my experience on e-mobility because this is an emerging market. And I could see that DIYguru is giving platform to new enthusiasts and helping young entrepreneurs in building up a skill so that they can be helpful for current market requirement, and they are bridging a gap between the actual requirement of industry and talent pool available with the school or colleges. So what is happening that through this talent building, they can be a useful resource for the government, see the actual transformation happening, and I wish them best of luck, and I am very much sure that like this workshop and these courses, see that they are clearing the doubts of the participants, they are giving each and every requirement, and whatever their queries are there, they are solving it on the spot. And moreover, whenever that apart from this, they are helping entrepreneurs to setting up their business, they are helping them what are the government policies, they are making them aware. So what happens that apart from the learning, they do know that how and where to tap the market and where the market potential is there, so that they can grow themselves, and apart from this, they can help other upcoming students of the college, so that we can see that bigger transformation in Indian economy through their courses.